So this is going to be home for the next few nights. Isn't it wonderful? Wow. Miles and miles from anywhere. Out in the countryside. Should we take a little look inside? Let's see what's inside. Wow. There's a kitchen here. I've never been in a tent like this before. Wow. Look at this. Dining area. And wow, there's like a full-size double bed in this part of the tent. Look at that. It's incredible. And then a wardrobe and a bunk bed there. How amazing is this place? Look at that. And a view of the field through there. Wow.